National Voters' Day was observed at the Office of Chief Electoral Officer, Manipur at Imphal, with emphasis on the importance of voting, use of technology in elections, and the role of voters in strengthening democracy. The statement of the Chief Election Commissioner, CEC of India, was read out during the program, stating that India's election system is strong, transparent, and trusted worldwide. He said India's election as chair of International IDEA reflects the country's growing leadership in democratic practices. The CEC encouraged citizens, particularly young voters, to participate actively in elections and exercise their franchise without fail. He also urged voters to remain vigilant against misinformation and fake news related to elections, noting that informed participation is essential for the health of democracy. Speaking on the occasion in the presence of CEO Shailesh Kumar, CS Vivek Kumar Diwangan highlighted use of technology such as webcasting cameras and polling stations to monitor voting in real time, and explained the VVPAT system, which enables voters to verify their choice through a printed paper slip. He praised Manipur Police and Central Paramilitary Forces for ensuring free and fair elections and announced special enrollment drive in schools and colleges to register students turning 18 ahead of 2027 assembly elections. The program also comprised photo exhibition, distribution of e-pick cards to first-time voters, felicitation of SVEEP campaigners. Prizes were awarded to winners of online essay competition on the theme My India, My Vote, Indian Citizen at the Heart of Indian Democracy. As part of the program, participants took pledge led by the Chief Electoral Officer to vote responsibly and uphold democratic values.
Government of India had realized that in the year 2011, the voters' participation, particularly the young voters, had shown a kind of apathy. They were not getting registered after becoming 18 years. So, a national campaign was decided to be introduced by celebrating 25th January, that is the Foundation Day of Election Commission in India, as National Voter Day, to create awareness, particularly among the young voters, so that they get enrolled just after completing 18 years of age. Earlier, the enrollment used to happen on 1st of January every year. Now, as Chief Electoral Officer has told that this electoral roll region is taking place 4 times in a year. As and when the young voters are turning 18, they are eligible to get registered as an elector.